For most of his life, he didn't ask himself what he wanted. He asked everyone else. Was he good enough? Was he doing enough? Was he being seen? Every decision, every effort, every achievement was quietly chasing one thing: validation. And the more he chased it, the emptier he felt. This is the story of the day he stopped seeking approval from everyone else and finally chose himself. He learned early that approval felt like safety, praise meant acceptance, likes meant worth, attention meant value. So he adapted. He became who people wanted, said yes when he wanted to say no, smiled when he felt drained. And from the outside, he looked successful, but inside, he was exhausted from performing. No matter how much validation he received, it was never enough. One compliment faded into the need for another. One achievement led to higher expectations. And the silence, that was the hardest part. When no one noticed, he felt invisible. That's when he realized something painful. If your worth depends on others, you're never truly at peace. Chasing validation had a price. He ignored his own needs, his own values, his own voice. He felt anxious making decisions, afraid of disappointing people, afraid of being misunderstood. And one day, he asked himself a question he had been avoiding for years. Who am I when no one is watching? He didn't have an answer. The change didn't come loudly. No argument, no dramatic moment, just clarity. He realized that no amount of approval could replace self-respect, that living for others meant abandoning himself. And on that day, he made a quiet decision. I will stop asking for permission to be who I am. He began setting boundaries, speaking honestly, choosing peace over approval. Some people didn't like it. Some walked away, and that was okay, because for the first time, his confidence came from within. He no longer needed to be liked by everyone. He needed to be aligned with himself. If you're constantly seeking validation, this is for you. You don't need permission to live your life. You don't need applause to be worthy. You don't need approval to matter. The moment you stop living for others' expectations is the moment you start living with freedom. Choose self-respect over validation. Choose authenticity over approval. Choose yourself. Because the day you stop seeking validation is the day your real life begins.